Hi, my name is Rowie Moniz from Harvester Church International. I just want to share my 1-minute testimony. Before I met the Lord, my life has no direction. Inom dito, inom doon, gala dito, gala doon, strike anywhere, kung saan mayaya, go ako. And last 2012, I have so many friends na namatay. Siyempre natakot ako. Buti na lang, ginamit ng Lord ang ate ko. And that's the beginning of my wonderful relationship with God. Ang pinanghawak kong verse is Matthew 4:4. Man shall not live on the bread alone, but every word that comes from the mouth of God. And now, punong-puno ako ng direction. And He opened doors of promotion, reconciliation, and restoration. Kung na-bless ka sa testimony ko, message mo ako. Tutulungan kita.